Hello and welcome to NTP Online Learning. Today I'm going to answer the question, can a transport manager have a criminal record? Let's jump straight in and find out. When you apply for an operator licence, you will be required to complete and sign a GV79 form. This can either be completed on a paper version of the form, or if you're making the application online, then digitally using your computer. On the GV79 form, you must declare to the Traffic Commissioner any details of current and relevant convictions, and you must confirm that you will notify the Traffic Commissioner of any convictions that you may obtain during the time that you hold your operator licence. If you have any serious offences that are less than 5 years old, then these must be detailed on the application. Now, we do understand that there will be worries in declaring these offences, and you're probably thinking that your application will automatically be rejected. In fact, this isn't necessarily the case. When it comes to criminal records and serious offences, the Traffic Commissioner will look at the application on an individual basis, and they'll make their decision based on their findings. So what is considered a serious offence? Well, according to statutory documents, a serious offence is defined as a conviction where one of the following punishments have been imposed: imprisonment exceeding 3 months, a fine exceeding level 4 on the standard scale, this is currently at £2,500, a community order or equivalent requiring unpaid work and or an activity to be undertaken for more than 60 hours, or any punishment outside of the UK corresponding to the before. If making their decision, the Traffic Commissioner will need to consider whether any convictions or penalties for the serious infringements of the following areas provide compelling grounds to bring into question the repute of the operator and or transport manager. These areas are commercial law, insolvency law, pay and employment conditions in the profession, road traffic law, professional liability, trafficking in human beings or drugs. To satisfy the good repute requirement, an operator and or transport manager cannot have been convicted of any serious criminal offence or incurred penalties for a serious infringement of community rules relating in particular to driving time and rest periods for drivers, working time and installation of recording equipment, the maximum weight and dimensions of commercial vehicles used in international traffic, initial qualifications and continuous training for drivers, the roadworthiness of commercial vehicles, including the compulsory technical inspections of motor vehicles, access to the market in international road haulage, and access to the market for passenger transport, safety in the carriage of dangerous goods by road, and the installation and use of speed limiting devices on certain categories of vehicles, driving licences, admissions into the occupation and animal transport. Your repute will really depend on what type of convictions you have and when you acquired them. If you do have offences in the last 5 years, it's probably worth contacting the Traffic Commissioner's office to discuss your concerns before making any application. So, to sum up, having a criminal record does not necessarily automatically mean you will not be permitted as a transport manager or granted an operator licence. The Traffic Commissioner will look at each case on an individual basis. If you've got offences in the areas I've detailed earlier, then your chances are a lot lower. So before submitting your application, contact the Transport Commissioner and discuss your concerns. I do hope that you found this answer useful and informative. Please like the video and head over to our channel where you can subscribe and watch lots of our other videos which are packed full of information for those in the transport and logistics industry. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.